Simple past tense power up. Simple past tense quiz. Part 4. 10 questions to test your skills. Question number 1. We blah 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 the museum 2 days ago to see the ancient artifacts. A. Visit. B. Visited. C. Visits. D. Visiting. The answer is B. Visited. Explanation: the sentence includes the time signal 2 days ago, which indicates a completed action in the past. Therefore, we use the regular past form verb to by adding ed. Question number 2. They blah 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 extremely tired after the long journey from London. A. Was. B. Were. C. Did. D. Are. The answer is B. Were. Explanation: tired is an adjective, so we need the past form of the verb to be. For the plural subjects they, the correct past form is were. Question number 3. I blah 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 my homework, so the teacher was quite angry. B. Didn't finish. B. Didn't finish. C. Wasn't finished. B. D. Don't finish. The answer is B. Didn't finish. Explanation: in a negative past sentence, we use didn't plus base verb or verb 1. Option A is incorrect because we do not add ed to the verb after didn't. Question number 4. Where blah 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 you spend your last New Year's Eve? A. To. B. Does. C. Did. D. Were. The answer is C. Did. Explanation: to ask a question about an action in the past or verb 1 is spent, we must use the auxiliary verb did. Question number 5. My father blah 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 beautiful poem for my mother last night. A. Write. B. Writes. C. Wrote. D. Written. The answer is C. Wrote. Explanation: write is an irregular verb. Its past form verb 2 is wrote, which is required here due to the time signal last night. Question number 6. The students blah 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 very quiet during the final examination. A. Was. B. Were. C. Did. D. Is. The answer is B. Were. Explanation: the subject The students is plural. Since quiet is an adjective, we use the plural past to be verb, which is were. Question number 7. I blah 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 to call you yesterday, but my phone was dead. A. Try. B. Tried. C. Tries. D. Trying. The answer is B. Tried. Explanation: this sentence describes an attempt made in the past. For regular verbs ending y preceded by a consonant, we change y to id. Question number 8. Blah blah blah, the train stopped before you went home. A. Do. B. Did. C. Was. D. Does. The answer is B. Did. Explanation: stop is an action verb. To form a yes or no question in the simple past, we place did at the beginning of the sentence. Question number 9. We blah 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 in snacks for the road trip last weekend. A. Didn't brought. B. Didn't bring. C. Wasn't bring. D. Don't bring. The answer is B. Didn't bring. Explanation: after the negative auxiliary didn't, the verb must return to its base form, bring. Brought is the past form and cannot be used after didn't. Question number 10. Shakespeare blah 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 many famous plays in the 16th century. A. Create. B. Created. C. Creates. D. Creating. The answer is B. Created. Explanation: this is a historical fact about someone who is no longer living. Therefore, we use the simple past tense or verb to created. Quick summary: affirmative or positive subject plus verb to. Regular, we add ed, and then irregular changes form. Negative, subject plus didn't plus one base form, and then interrogative, did plus subject plus one or base form. Learning tips: regular verbs add ed, play, played, walk, walked. Irregular verbs unique forms eat, ate, go, went, see, saw. And thank you and keep practicing. See you in the next video.